Welcome back to the Do and Do Little. That's Cray, and that's me. We're a mother-daughter duo. Today we're doing something that we're calling Purple Haze. It's a blonde wig that we dyed by Relena. It's an Amazon affiliate company. The hair texture is body wave. It's a 13 by 6, 12-inch bob. Showing you the lace. Comes with 3 combs, one in the back, and adjustable straps. Now we're dyeing. I'm using several colors of Adore, which are Purple Rage, French Eggplant, Violet Gem, Lavender, and also Aquamarine by Kiss Colors. I separated all the frontal hairs from the back. I did all the roots in Eggplant to give it a darker tone. Here I'm showing you where I've separated the several different colors by Saran wrap. And this is how it turned out. This is the hair wet. And this is the hair dry. Look at all the shades of purple. And a hint of the aquamarine blue. Okay, not a hint, a lot. See how that dark purple eggplant? Now I'm doing the application after I curled the hair, tinted the lace, and cut off the lace. Look at that deep parting. Not much on the sides, about 2 inches. And I've taken out the combs at the crown. There's the lace. There it goes. There's the combs. No need for the combs because she has the stocking cap. We're using the Got To Be white gel in the yellow tube. And we're using it as adhesive. And we're using the yellow tube because it's water resistant. And it's definitely summertime, so we're gonna sweat. Putting down several layers. And yes, she's singing. Okay, I got into the mood too. Cocktail time. Letting it dry. Got the handy dandy hair dryer. Kind of speed this up a bit. Sorry for blocking the view. Yeah, she's into her Charlie's Angels mode. Now time to put the wig on. Attempting to pull it down into the correct placement. Getting the hair back so it doesn't get into our gel. The gel is just tacky at this point. Not all the way dried. Using the comb and the blow dryer to lay down the wig, making sure all the hairs are out. Using the comb to assist the drying, make sure that lace is laid. We're adding bedhead hairspray to also help with the adhesive process. She's drying one side while I'm spraying the other. That stuff really helps. It really holds. Now I'm spraying some bedhead on that side to help with the adhesive. Making sure it doesn't drip. Blow drying it. Another cocktail. She's helping with the blow drying stage, and I'm attempting to put an elastic band on, but I put the wrong side. It's got makeup on it. Don't have it up high enough. Praying that this works. Not really. Don't ask me what she's doing, because I don't know. Ooh, I forgot to wipe off the makeup before I started doing the adhesive. But I'm working on it. I'll fix it. It'll look perfect. You see her face, don't you? There we go. I got it down. Cleaned it off. Now I'm adding more makeup back. Now it's time. I'm combing out the hair. This is where I'm noticing just how thin this hair is. So it's gonna need a little styling help. But I got it together. Giving her that messy bedhead look. She's starting to feel herself. Purple is one of her favorite colors. I'm using hairspray to make the hair appear to be thicker. Okay, a little too much hairspray. She started coughing. Trying to fluff it up a little bit. You see, she's feeling this hair. The final results. This is our tribute to Prince. What do you think? Comment down below. And take a look at some of our other videos. We've done several colors and more to come. Look at that color variation.
Thank you for watching the Do and Do Little. Make sure you subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Alright, love you back. Bye.